Yo, what is going on? It is Thursday, March 12th, 3:27 p.m. Today I got stuck on my bias and I did not take a trade. So, yeah, here is today's P&L card. As you can see, nada nothing. Here's what I mean by I got stuck in my bias. So, let's get into today. So, originally coming into the day, I was decently bearish. Why was I bearish? Let's get into it. So coming into the day, as you can see, we have Asia low, London low, midnight open, all resting below. As far as buy side liquidity targets, we just have previous day high 300 points away, while these, where's 930? Like right here. These were more so in that range of within 150 points. That's more so what you're going to want to see. Correct? We also had this 4-hour down here where this Asia low was paired with this 4-hour on ES. Cool, perfect. That enough to me is to want to see, shorts. Yes, we inverted this 4-hour to the upside, but what did this next candle do? This next candle was already showing clear and obvious displacement. The 9 o'clock candles were just showing, this 9 a.m. candle was showing clear and obvious displacement to the downside. As far as the intraday, not the intraday, the shorter time frame goes, we had a sell model coming after we completed this buy model. As you can see, it's clear that we are now in bearish order flow. Correct? Boom. Okay. So let's get into the 1 minute. Again, you can see the buy model, you can see the sell model perfectly play out right after each other. So right at 9:30 open, we get a really wicky open, really shitty open. I thought open was just either going to sprint down the London low or completely run the fuck up to get into this hourly, and then we look for shorts to London. Now that we started trending up, honestly, this was a decent trade right here, but why did I not take this trade? So we had a liquidity sweep of London, had the 9:30 high and a 5-minute above with confirming this order block and bullish displacement to the upside. Why did I not take it? Midnight open, Asia low. Cool, right? We then chop around for about 6-7 minutes, where then we just start dumping down. Now, I'm not certain this is where if price wants to continue even lower anymore, because we already swept out London low on both assets. And yeah, to me, it's like price doesn't have a reason to continue even lower. We have these accumulation highs. We have this hourly above. Like, I'm not fully convinced on these shorts yet, but it just delivers. Honestly, I would have taken something like this. Excuse me. You see this 1 minute? How it got inversed. If we would have retraced into here and had a bearish closeout, okay, cool. Like, that would show me more conviction. But we just chopped around. Quick dump. We could have honestly easily reversed. But had I taken this, this would have been my entry. Something like this. Down the midnight open. Boom, right? Now we go down and we fucking dump to Asia low. So I'm like, cool, bearish order flow. We're clearly going to want to see shorts play out. We then had this long into this 5-minute we just recently created. This was a very mechanical model. No SMT, no nothing, just straight up, off a displacement closing above midnight open. To me, this isn't anything that I'm like drooling over. We just started displacing like this. And then we get a nice little 1 minute out of it, but my problem is to where. This is a protected low. This was a liquidity swept low. To where? We were SMT'd at this low with this 4-hour gap. As you see, ES already had tagged this, so we were like this. Now looking back at it, actually this 1 minute up here wasn't too terrible, but I don't know. I feel like I've been recently kind of falling back into IFVGs only, opposed to being more discretional. Like, discretionarily wise, this is a better play than I feel like that IFVG. I feel like something just to this 930 internal high, or even just going break even at that 930 high and taking a 1-to-1, like 30 points. Something like this I feel like is better than like this 5-minute. Now, granted, it was the SMT inside of that 4-hour gap to close above midnight open with this 5-minute above. Would this have even really gotten me the RR that I needed? Yeah, it would have been a 1-to-1. All right, yeah, it was. And then we come back down after sweeping that, and then we start trending up. Now, to me, this is super uncertain because the draws lower already taken. We're SMT'd with this 4-hour. We really don't have a reason to come back up here. We don't have the 930 open candle. We don't have equal highs. We don't really have shit. Then we start accumulating again around 10 a.m., which is when we leave these pairs of equal highs. Cool, perfect, right? Now the rest of the day, what I'm looking for is just this to get inverted. This 1 minute gap to be inverted to these equal highs. I thought it was going to start pumping up right here. After we tagged into this 5 minute, I would have just taken the inverse. We chopped around, and then right at 10:47, look at this 1 minute candle. It was about almost damn near 90 points. It was 85 points, but in total, the bullish movement within these 4 minutes was 128 points. So I, for certain, thought we were going to get this play right here. So we inverse this gap. I would have needed to close above midnight open, go and break even right here, and put the stop loss right here. So we would have just been targeting this other internal high inside this 5 minute, or honestly just 1-to-1. Boom, right? Something like this. This would have been beautiful to me. But we didn't get it, and yeah, so I just got really stuck as far as today. Like this accumulation kind of threw me off because I just felt as though price wasn't 100% certain on where it wanted to go necessarily. Yeah. I was also looking at something like this, to where if we didn't leave these equal highs right here, like when we were ranging right here, I wanted to see this inverted. Stops right here and just take it down to this 4 hour because it seemed like we wanted to continue lower. We're going break even right here. But once we left those equal highs, I said, fuck this short. I need the long to equal highs, and never got that. Looking back now, this 9:30 play wasn't bad, and this 1 minute because we were SMT'd inside of the 4 hour wasn't bad. I'm not 100% fond of this short. I know Ali took this short. The draws are good. I can say that. And, you know, essentially, what am I looking to trade? Drawn liquidities. Drawn liquidity with reasoning. Good displacement. Inverse. We didn't confirm the order block yet. We had already tagged what would have been my break-even point and midnight open, which when we confirmed the order block, and it would have been a liquidity sweep. So, yeah, I could have definitely taken something like this. Just off of this inverse. Stop right here. Midnight open, going break even at the bodies of this. But yeah, man, just got too stuck on this bias after it at the end of the day, because the same play that I said I would take that I wanted to play out. Actually, I would have gone stopped. I would have gone stopped because this is what I was looking at. Good thing I didn't take it. I would have gone stopped. But yeah, then I just got stuck right here and didn't want to see anything else. Yeah, missed out right here. Possibly missed out right here. Honestly, price moved really well. Price moved really well. I wasn't too fond of these 100%. Like, I wanted something more clear. I don't know. I don't know how much more clear you could even really get, to be honest. But yeah, that's just how today went. Not my best day, not my proudest day whatsoever. Should have been a day that I could have taken a trade. We had 1, 2, should even 3 possible opportunities. Just really wanted this equal high play once these got put in at 10:15 and got married to it. Can't be getting married to the bias, even though we really didn't have an entry in here. I guess if you wanted to say, like, not even, because we were reacting out of this 5 minute. Even though if I would have taken something like this right here, yeah, see, this isn't bad. How we respect here, we confirm this order block, and then you place stops right here, and then you get target the, yeah, this isn't bad, bro. Respect this. We get this 1 minute. I believe the 5 minute probably inversed right here. The 5 minute had inversed. Yeah, this isn't a bad trade, to be honest. Just off of the respect of this fair value gap and how we wicked off of it. This really is not a bad trade with a decent break-even point. Honestly, the break-even point would have been moved right here. This is not bad at all, bro. This is not at all a bad trade. Wow. Crazy RR too. Even if I wanted to take it to this internal low, damn near, it would have been good RR. Wow, missed out on some opportunities today. It's always good to come back like this and look over it. But yeah, man, that's about all that happened today. Can't continue to get stuck to a bias because like I just seen right now, I got missed out on this. Yeah, I forgot to mention that part. Not just good, just nice to see price move well at least. You know, it's nice to see price move well at least. Gonna be back tomorrow though. Gonna be looking for the same shit that I do every day, and I need to continue to execute. I need to continue to improve. It felt good to get that win yesterday, so let's continue that, man. And with that being said, peace, love, positivity. I hope everyone has a blessed day.